Welcome everyone. Today we're making spaghetti aglio olio. There are many variations of this recipe, but this is the authentic one, which calls for red chili pepper and parsley. The reason why it requires parsley is because this recipe is derived from spaghetti alle vongole, that is spaghetti with clams, which poor people would cook without the clams. As a matter of fact, in Naples this recipe is also called spaghetti alle vongole fuiute, which literally means runaway clams spaghetti, to warn you that clams are nowhere to be found in your plate. Okay, let's take a look at what we need for this delicious and simple recipe. For 2 people we will need a bunch of parsley, 40 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil, 1 or 2 garlic cloves, and some chili pepper. I only have flakes, but if you have the actual chili peppers, cut them and remove the seeds, which are not really digestible. We will also need 200 grams, or about half a pound of spaghetti, and salt for our boiling water. The first thing we want to do is to place about 2 liters of water in a pot and turn the stove on. In general, we will need 1 liter of water per 100 grams or quarter of a pound of pasta. While we wait for the water to boil, we start preparing our ingredients. Wash and dry the parsley. The parsley needs to be dry to be chopped correctly. If it is wet, then all its flavor will be left on the cutting board when you cut it. So we chop until it's fully minced. Now we proceed to peeling our garlic and removing its bud. The bud is not easy to digest and causes bad breath, so it is better to remove it. Once we got rid of the bud, we can chop the garlic. Keep in mind that the more you chop, the more flavor the garlic will provide to your sauce. No need to add more garlic if you want a spicier flavor. Just cut the garlic thinner. We now can check on our water and it is finely boiling, so it is time to drop the spaghetti. Notice that I have not added salt yet. First the pasta, then when the water boils again, we can add salt. You will need about 10 grams of coarse salt for each liter of water, so in this case about 20 grams. Check the cooking time on the spaghetti box. It is usually 11-12 minutes. When 3-4 minutes are left, set a pan on the side and add the extra virgin olive oil, garlic, the chili red pepper, and just a pinch of parsley. This is the time to pause and inhale the fantastic aroma coming from this magic mix you've just created. Congratulations. Enjoy this unique scent. Returning to earth, your spaghetti are now ready to go straight into the pan. Remove them carefully from the boiling water and start mixing and tossing them with your aglio and olio sauce. Now it is time to switch off the heat and add all the remaining parsley. Toss a little more and absolutely serve immediately. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and why not subscribe. See you next time.